We're wrapping up ROKLive 2022 here in Gothenburg, Sweden, and I just want to say a couple of thank yous. Thank you to the team that helped us put such a wonderful event together. Thank you for those of you that made the investment and came to join us here for more than 120 hours of technical training. As we continue to invest in our core platforms of intelligent devices and software and control, it's through events like this that we bring it all together, and it helps us introduce the new technology to you and to our customers. And last but not least, thank you to the partners that have helped us sponsor the event. It's with you together that we make our portfolio stronger, and it helps us be in the first and the best position to bring IT and OT together. I hope you had a wonderful event, and I see you next year.